Welcome to HSR Motors, your ultimate destination for everything automotive. Whether you're a die-hard petrolhead or simply fascinated by the world of cars, you've come to the right place. Buckle up as we take you on a thrilling journey through the latest in automobile technology, jaw-dropping car reviews, and adrenaline-pumping adventures. Get ready to rev your engines and fuel your passion because at HSR Motors, we're not just driving cars, we're driving dreams. GM DCT hydraulic flush procedure with GDS2 and SPS2. This guide outlines the steps to perform a hydraulic flush on a GM dual-clutch transmission, DCT, using GM's GDS2 software and Techline Connect SPS2 subscription. What you'll need: GM MDI hardware, MDI2 clone, VNCI MDI2, VexDiag VCX Nano GM, etc. Techline Connect SPS2 subscription. Approximately 11 quarts of DCT fluid. Ratcheting wrench. Metric M20X 1.5 male to barb hose ID 1/2 brass fitting. 1/2 ID, 5/8 OD. PVC clear vinyl tubing, 4 to 5 feet. Small/medium funnel. Plumbers/Teflon tape. Drain pan, at least 11 quarts. New DCT external canister filter and O-rings. Note: the DCT holds approximately 11.7 quarts when dry, but about 1.5 quarts remain after draining. So, the fill will accommodate about 10 quarts. After the initial fill, start the car and cycle through reverse, drive, and neutral for 30 to 45 seconds multiple times. Then, add more fluid until there's a slow drip from the fill line. Procedure 1. Set up GDS2, Techline Connect. Plug in your MDI2 and start GDS2. Log in and connect to the car using the MDI2. Read the car's data and navigate to the Transmission Control Module, K71. Select Module Diagnostics - Control/Reset Functions - Hydraulic System Flush Procedure. 2. Prepare for hydraulic flush. Ensure the transmission fluid is at least 50 degrees Celsius 122 degrees Fahrenheit. The engine must be running. The RPMs will fluctuate between 500 to 2100 RPM during the cycle. Depress the brake for the entire procedure to prevent the car from rolling. 3. Perform hydraulic flush. Shift into neutral as directed by GDS2 and click Continue to begin the flush. The procedure will take up to 10 minutes, during which the fluid system is pressurized and fluid passes through the filter. After completion, you'll receive a confirmation message. 4. Drain and refill the DCT fluid. Lift the car and remove the rear shear shield. Remove the fill plug first, then the drain plug to drain the fluid. Replace the DCT external canister filter. Be cautious of the mess. Install the new filter and O-rings. Reinstall the drain plug. 5. Set up filling contraption. Assemble the Metric M20X 1.5 fitting with the old fill plug O-ring, vinyl tubing, and funnel. Install the fitting and fill the transmission with about 9 quarts of fluid, adding more slowly until there's a slow drip from the fill line. Remove the filling contraption and install the fill plug. 6. Cycle the transmission. Start the car and cycle through drive, reverse, and neutral for 30 to 45 seconds each. Stop the car, remove the fill plug, and top off the fluid until there's a slow leak from the fill plug. Reinstall the fill plug and check for leaks. 7. Run hydraulic system leak test. Reconnect GDS2 and navigate to the K71 Transmission Control Module. Select Control/Reset Functions - Hydraulic System Leak Test. Ensure the fluid is at least 50 degrees Celsius and depress the brake. Shift into neutral as prompted and run the leak test. After completion, you'll receive a confirmation message. 8. Reset DCT service interval if applicable. For 2023 plus models, reset the DCT external canister and fluid service interval using GDS2. For 2020 to 2022 models, reset the DCT fluid service reminder from inside the car. 9. Final steps. Close out of GDS2 and disconnect the MDI2 from the OBDII and laptop. Verify that the car runs smoothly and check for any leaks. Alternative tools. Bidirectional diagnostic scanners can also be used to run the hydraulic flush procedure. By following these detailed steps, you can effectively perform a hydraulic flush on a GM DCT using GDS2 and SPS2, ensuring smooth operation and extended transmission life. And that's a wrap for today's episode at HSR Motors. If you enjoyed diving into the world of wheels with us, Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our exhilarating content. Remember, every like and share fuels our passion to bring you more thrilling adventures and informative insights. So, until next time, keep chasing your automotive dreams with HSR Motors. Drive safe, stay inspired, and let's keep the journey rolling together.